Hello and greetings from Iceland. This video is a bit special since an Icelandic energy company just announced that they plan to lift the caldera of this volcano by a few millimeters over the next few weeks. So what are Icelandic engineers trying to do, might one ask? And this volcano, Krafla, has since 1977 powered steam turbines that are now in the need of extensive maintenance shutdown. And not only will they shut down the turbines, they will also be putting the lid on most of the geothermal wells, shutting down many of the steam cycles, which is likely quite complicated since this is a highly developed system which receives injected wastewater into the geothermal reservoir, which contributes to its renewable nature. So during the shutdown, it's not just the turbines that will stop. And although the media didn't explain this very well, the shutdown is obviously pressurizing the ground under the Krafla caldera, which will therefore rise by a few millimeters above the magma chamber, which is at 2 to 3 kilometers depth. And we got this warning because experts expect increased seismic activity during this, mostly earthquakes below magnitude 1, although larger earthquakes may occur. And this will start in a few days. So I'm leaving a link to the local seismometers because the energy company, they have their own network that picks up way more data than we get from the Met Office. So you will get way more info from the link that I'm leaving for you. And this procedure is all in the open, so it gives me and you the chance to watch this closely. We don't get to see man-made caldera uplift every day, but the media actually forgot to tell us if the energy company would also shut down the volcano-powered shower near the power plant, which would be a major bummer for tourists. So I'm leaving a link to my full video about the volcano shower that is quite unique, and it's free, and such things are hard to find in Iceland nowadays. And I'm naturally a bit skeptical when it comes to messing with forces like this. The energy company has, however, many fine scientists, and I'm sure they know what they are doing. And I'm leaving a link to an online documentary about the power plant and how it was constructed during the Krafla eruptions between 1975 and 1984, or the famous rifting episode. It contains lots of old footage and plenty of good information for science nerds. And like I've mentioned before, I have my own long video in the making from the Krafla volcano. It's a video that will be stuffed with footage. This was a large story, and I have already covered the so-called Kópasker earthquake in 1976. It is a part of a video in my town series, and I'm linking to it, of course, because it is a part of the Krafla story, and it contains good footage from the plate boundaries. And one of my more serious tasks this summer is to fly over the complete Krafla storyboard. And there are other places I need to film more, like this one, Leirhnjúkur. And I filmed this a while back with one of my old drones, but I need to go back. When I'm filming places like this, it's often the second or the third trip that gives me the results that I want. Because when I look at the first trip on the big screen, I usually notice something that I didn't see on the remote. And this is from Leirhnjúkur trip number 1. And although places like this look always good, no matter what kind of camera we have or what kind of light, I look very much forward to spend some quality time here. The northern part of the plate boundaries are just beyond words. But the message now in this video is to tell all of you that Krafla volcano might be shaking in the next days and weeks. And if you are in the position to know anything about this process that the Icelandic engineers are about to trigger there, I would love to see you share that knowledge in the comment section. And with that, I'm sending you best regards from the volcano island Iceland.